Will you be worried when there is a Christmas party waiting for you, but you think you are a little bit fat? Today I am going to teach you some recipes so that you can lose weight quickly. And even if you are really lazy, you can just slim quick if you act according to what I am suggesting. 1. Chicken, asparagus, lettuce and sesame. Don't make them oily. Keep boiling them and put some oil, salt and pepper into your food. Sesame makes food fragrant. Asparagus lettuce can help you purge guts, which is good for you to lose weight on belly. 2. Water-boiled eggs together with steamed corn. These foods contain little calorie and are tasty and nutritious. They are usually taken as weight loss food. Because of the nutrition contained, weight loss program will not weaken you. 3. Pine nuts, carrots and broccoli. Scald carrots and broccoli into small pieces. They are both sweet and crisp, so it tastes good. The food can prevent cancer and detoxify body. The fragrance of pine nuts can also help you reduce weight. 4. Tomato with eggs. I don't say it's a dish. Water boil the eggs, and then cut tomatoes with white sugar put on it. They are just like cold dishes. Since tomatoes are not cooked, you may take a cup of low-fat milk. This meal can supply you enough nutrition without gain weight. 5. Cold dish. Just like 4, potato, kelp and carrots can also be cold dishes. Cut them into slice and boil them. After having put some oil, salt and sesame oil into the dish, stir it. You will feel full and can lose water weight because of potatoes and kelp. Carrots have the function to beautify your skin. So by having this meal you can lose fat and beautify at the same time. If you have benefited from this video, immediately hit the subscribe button and bell notification now for your next inspiring video. If you would like to lose weight, click the link in the description below to learn more.